Yes, we are back again. Hello, Sudoku friends. Welcome back with the fourth Sudoku in this edition of today's newspaper on Friday, June the 12th, 2020. What kind of binary puzzle is this? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's an 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row, there's always 4 O's and 4 O's. Idem dito for the column, always 4 O's and 4 1's. And another rule is also no identical rows or columns allowed. Okay, let's get started. We have a double 1 here and O. And then now we have 4 O's in a column, so the rest are 1's. Here we have also 4 O's, so the rest are 1's. A double 1 here, and O, then O. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 O's, so the rest are 1's. Double O, here 1, there 1, between 2 O's comes in 1, between 2 1's comes in O, between 2 1's comes in O, between 2 1's comes in O, between 2 O's comes in 1, between 2 O's comes in 1, between 2 1's comes in O. And here we have 4 1's, so the rest are O's. Now we have 4 O's, so the rest are 1's. Double 1 here and O, there and O. Double O here and 1, there 1. Double 1 here and O, there and O. We have 4 O's, so the rest are 1's. Between 2 1's comes an O. Double O here and 1, there and 1. 4 1's, so the rest are O's. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 1's, so the rest are O's. Now we have 4 O's, so the rest are 1's. We have 4 1's, so the rest are O's. Then I need to compare, I think. Yes. Do we have a 1 or 1? No. Oh, 10. Yes. This second row and this one. Let us compare. 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, empty box, 1, 1. I need to switch these two numbers. We have a 1, so this should be an O, and we have an O there, so this should be a 1. Double 1, here and O, there and O, double O, here and 1, there 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, finish in 3 minutes. Alright, great Sudoku. Great Sudoku. Only one row to compare. Thumbs up if you like this binary puzzle. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later with the last Sudoku in today's newspaper. In additional, it will be a tectonic, aka Suguru. So see you later and bye bye for now.